Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find auto delete messages settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First, click on these three lines and click settings. Now click privacy and safety and security, and here you will find it as you see auto delete messages. Just click on it, and here you can choose here you can custom your time. And that's it for today. That's how to find auto delete messages settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.